The world will change next week. GPT-4, which is 500 times more powerful than the current ChatGPT, will be released next week. The current version of ChatGPT is built on GPT 3.5 with 175 billion machine learning parameters. But GPT-4 has 100 trillion ML parameters. GPT-4 will be able to process multiple types of data including videos, images, sounds, numbers, etc. By next week, you will be able to use artificial intelligence to write a movie script, use AI to generate actors for the movie, produce the movie and take it public without hiring real-life actors. By next week, you will be able to write a fully illustrated 200-page book from scratch to finish in one day. The world will change next week. This is early-stage singularity. Humanity has stepped at the doors of the singularity. The immigration platform I am building will include artificial intelligence functions.